Everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Valia Bhatnagar and I am with you with the era of accounting and financial management for bankers. What are we dealing with, everyone? Okay, we are done with a major part of our syllabus already, individual chapters. Actually, we are completely done it once. We are completely done with module A, B, C, D. In the previous playlist, you will find the entire modules chapter wise. So you can see the classes module wise, chapter wise. There is a set of around 12 to 14 classes in each particular module. So you have around, you can say, 48 to 52 classes would be there. Actually, more than that, up to 55 classes can be there in the specific area of individually covering the chapters in a series of maybe one class, two class. It depends upon the specific topic itself. So if you're planning to look forward towards purchasing our courses as well, then this is the perfect time as well, everyone. Why? Because currently we are having 79% discount on our courses plus 1% extra is there on our downloading of the app. That means you will get 80% off if you purchase our courses right away. So if you haven't enrolled into our courses yet, then hurry up. This is the perfect time. Double validity is there on Mahapacks and 80% off is on all our courses regarding JAIIB as well as CAIIB. You just use the code by541 and only then you'll be able to get 80% discount, right? So if you're planning to do this, then download the app first so that you can get 1% extra, right? There are multiple codes which are available in the app itself, but if you use the specific code, you will get 80% discount. Check it out on our website and our app for further details. By the end of the session, I'll show you our website as well, where to go if you're planning to purchase it and why you should purchase it as well. Currently, this particular Mahapack includes English medium, bilingual, then plus the entire test series, ebooks, revision batches, plus all the specific classes are included in this area. That means each and every class PDF, ebooks, everything is included. Marathons, mini marathons, everything included in this specific area. So if you're planning to look forward towards your examination, then hurry up. The time is taking away. You should enroll right away as the exam is on 2nd of June. Okay, everyone, let's look forward towards the questions that we are having today. Go ahead and answer this question. Mr. A purchased a machinery for 1 lakh on 1st of October 2009. Transportation expenses, installation expenses are of 10,000 and 4,000 respectively. Everyone, if you got a particular asset and you spent a certain amount on it, right, in order to make it better. So that is also included in it, na, right? That means if you are incurring any charges in order to include it, in order to make that asset ready to use, you will be adding it up. That means 1 lakh plus 10,000 plus 4,000 all included. Then we have dismantling of the old machine for rupees 10,000. Matlab, without dismantling the old machine, of course, I cannot put the new machine, right? Then comes the market value of the machine was estimated to be 1,20,000 on 1st March. Matlab, if I buy a new machine, it would be 1,20,000. While finalizing the books of accounts, A values the machinery at 1,20,000 in his accounts. Why should be recorded at the market value? See, there is a concept violation. It is saying which of the following concepts is violated by A. He is actually recording everything at market value, right? Is it cost concept, matching concept, realization concept, or periodicity concept? According to you, what's going to be the answer? See, something that belongs to the organization and is written in a manner that you are recording it under market value concept. You don't record things at market value. I got a particular car. I'm going to use it for the next 10 years. I don't sit in my car every single day and before driving, I'm like, today its worth is this. No. Today's worth is that. No. I just bought the car. I will determine its market value the day I'll be selling it. I'm not going to revalue it. I'm never going to record it at market value, right? As soon as you take your car out, at least 50,000 amount goes down. The moment you buy it, after a month, if you're trying to sell it up, that is the amount that you will definitely have a fall in, you know. So when we talk about this specific area, we, in terms of the cost concept, there's a clear violation. Why aren't we recording things at the historical cost? Done. The answer is cost concept. Next question. Okay. I hope this is visible clearly. Better now? Okay. I think it would be better visible right now. Now, Messrs ABC, which is registered in 2000, has been following the straight line method of depreciation. In the current year, it changed its method from SLM to WDV. Since such a change would result in the additional depreciation of 200 lakhs, as a result of which the firm would qualify to be declared as a sick industrial unit. The auditor raised the objection to this change in this method of depreciation. The objection by the auditor is justified because change of method of depreciation should be only done with the consent of the auditor, or depreciation method can be changed from WDV SLM, not vice versa. This is just not relevant. You can change your method as and when there is actually a requirement and it shows the true picture of your organization. Change in the method of depreciation should be done only if it is required by some statute, or change would result in more appropriate presentation of financial statements, or for compliance with the accounting standard. Methods of depreciation cannot be changed under any circumstances. What's going to be the answer, everyone? You can definitely change it. Consistency methods clearly says कि ठीक है, you follow one particular thing, but there is no hard and fast rule कि नहीं, you cannot change. Change in terms of the method is definitely allowed, everyone. What does it say? Change in the method of depreciation should be done only if it is required by some statute, matlab law is asking, or change would result in more appropriate presentation of the financial statements, or for compliance with the accounting standard. Done? Everybody sorted? Everybody sorted with it? Chaliye, now let's move on to the next question. The answer is change the method. Arey, this is absolutely allowed. See, the point is, where is it written in the books of accounts that you cannot make changes? You are free to make changes, but you are allowed to make changes only and only when they are justified and at the same time consistent. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It shouldn't happen this way that you are doing those changes, you are getting those changes, but you are frequently changing your methods, which is definitely wrong because your previous books of accounts and current books of accounts become uncomparable, है ना? Because of the particular difference in the books of accounts, which is definitely wrong. Acha, next question is of costing, everyone. I hope it is visible now. The management of the manufacturing company is contemplating of the implementation of ABC costing system. In the process of designing the system, they need to identify suitable cost of allocation basis for assigning indirect cost to products. Which of the following statement best describes the role of cost allocation basis in ABC? Cost allocation basis in ABC are arbitrary factors chosen in terms to allocate cost. Cost allocation in ABC are predetermined measures that have casual relationship with the consumption of resources with the products. Cost allocation in terms of ABC, activity based costing. Acha, let's finish off the particular options and I'll tell you about it. applied across the products regardless of their resource patterns, or cost allocation is solely determined by direct labor hours spent. See, when you're looking forward towards finding out the activity based costing, there are different activities involved now. In terms of the production, you might be doing multiple things. I might be involved in the production of that particular thing. Okay, I'm producing it, and with the production process, there are other things I'm doing as well now. For example, I'm using machine. It will the cost allocation of machine should be based upon the hours it's working. In terms of the labor hours which are being spent, electricity, the consumption of the electricity in this case, per unit consumption there. Then when we talk about this entire system of activity based costing, what do we get out of it? Activity based costing matlab whatever activities are being done, how do we look forward towards that area, है ना? So in this case, can we say the cost allocation basis in A, B, C are predetermined measures that have casual relationship with the consumption of the resources? Isn't B the answer? Right? See, the point is, if you talk about labor, it should be based upon the labor hours. If there are multiple departments, then the hours defined by each and every department would be used in this case. Then we have machinery. In terms of machinery, hours spent. In terms of the raw material, the per kg amount that is being spent. So you'll find out the basis on which you should allocate it. This is not a stabilized basis system. You will see there is no uniform system. Everything has its own way. See, if I talk about ATM allocations, how many times the ATM is being filled in a week or in a day, है ना? That is also required. If I talk about the system, computer system, how long this computer system is working, that would be used. So this will vary from case to case na. That is ABC, activity based costing. Next point. This is again a costing based question. Na? A company produces two types of products, product A and product B. Product A requires extensive machine setup time before the production begins, while the product B can be produced with minimal setup time. Which cost concept is most relevant for analyzing the cost difference between these two products? Cost object, cost center, cost allocation base, or cost behavior? Right? It is visible clearly now. A, B, C, and D, everyone. See, when we talk about two specific products and we talk about the production, one has a minimal setup time, the other one takes a lot of time. And before there's an extensive time which is required for setting up. That means in this case, if we have to make the particular amount allocations, that is called cost object. The difference is between the area of cost object, everyone. That's the correct answer. Done. Next question. This is a question from the module C. Which of the following is true regarding the cash flow statement? It provides information about the company's assets and liabilities at a specific point in time. It details the sources and uses of cash over a specific period. It primarily focuses on the company's profitability. It is prepared according to generally accepted accounting principles. GAAP. What's the answer, everyone? Cash flow statement is as per Accounting Standard 3 or it is as per IND AS 7. What's going to be the answer? Cash flow statement. Do you know cash flow statement is not a original statement? It's a statement which is prepared using the P&L and profit and loss account as well as balance sheet of the organization. That's how they create the cash flow statement. When they create the cash flow statement, it is based upon the sources and uses of the cash over a specific period of time. We're talking about a specific time period through which we are studying it, right? It details the sources and uses of cash over a specific period. Next question, everyone. Another question regarding cash flow. Cash flow is normally prepared for a year and it is compulsory for all those companies which are listed. Which section of the cash flow statement includes cash flows from operating activities? Financing, investing, operating, none. Cash flows, when we're talking about this, which section of the cash flow statement includes cash flows from operating activities? In this case, can we say we are talking about regarding operating activities? It is very simple. It is regarding operating activities. When you are talking about your businesses, Vesana, this question has to be rephrased. This is directly giving the hint. Which section of the cash flow statements includes cash flows from business activities? This is a better question. Okay? Done, everyone? Easier question. Now let's move on towards the next question. Which of the following transactions would be classified as an investing activity on the cash flow statement? Payment of dividend to shareholders, issuance of long-term debt, purchase of equipment, or sale of goods to customers. What's going to be the answer, everyone? Which of the following transactions would be classified as an investing activity? As an investing activity, when you're talking about investing, it is related to the area of getting an asset. So I would say this would be based upon sale of goods to customers. Nope. We are purchasing an equipment. This is investment based. This is an investment. The correct answer is purchase of investment. Done? Now let's move on. What do you mean by the term EBITDA in the financial reporting? वैसे this is the term which you might have heard a lot when we were dealing with the area of leasing, है ना? And you will find it in your CAIIB a lot as well. Earning before interest, taxes, depreciation, amortization, and earning before interest, income tax, depreciation, then amortization, interest, tax, dividend, amortization, or interest, taxes, depreciation, and assets. See, the last one is definitely out of the window. This is just out. Earnings before interest, tax, dividend, and amortization. This is definitely not making sense. This is basically interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. Depreciation and amortization is basically, depreciation is on tangible assets, while amortization is on intangible assets. Next question. Which of the following statements is true regarding the statement of cash flows? It is used to calculate company's net income. It provides information about the company's financial position at a specific point in time. It reconciles the company's beginning and ending retained earnings. It details the sources and uses of cash over a specific period. Cash flows. What is true about cash flows? It details the sources and application of funds. This is similar to the question that was given in the very beginning, everyone. Okay. So before I end my session, everyone, I hope you know our sale is going on and it is ending soon. So if you are planning to purchase our courses, then hurry up. 80% discount is going on. All you need to do is use the code Y541 and get 80% discount on our website or in our app. For further details, you can definitely check it out. Okay, so I think before I end my session, I'll just take you to that specific area of our website so that you can review it. Just go on to our website, that is adda247.com. You go on to this area, that is www.adda247.com. You go on to the area of JAIIB and CAIIB. As soon as you open the area of JAIIB as well as CAIIB, you will find it in the JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. There you will find both the Mahapacks, JAIIB plus CAIIB Mahapack. If you're planning for both together, you can definitely go for this. If you're planning just for JAIIB, this is also a very good option to look forward to. As I told you, live classes, test series, ebooks, videos, what not is available. Previous batches, current batches, everything is available. Use the code Y54, oops, uh, Y541 and apply it, and you will get 79% discount. This is 6298. You will get at least another 1% discount. Further, you get for 80% discount, and you will get for 12 months, everyone. 12 months matlab 500 something rupees per month, a very reasonable amount, and you're getting so many things. This also includes our crash course as well. So if you're planning to look forward towards our courses, then hurry up. The time is ticking away. Every single moment is extremely important. Enroll yourself before this offer ends, everyone. 80% discount is definitely ending soon, and double validity would be over soon as well. So hurry up and enroll right away. We'll be meeting tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and bye bye.